If you're looking to unlock the power of generating income effortlessly, you've come to the right place. The basics of passive income. Before we jump into the different strategies, let's understand the essence of passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal or no ongoing effort on your part. Unlike traditional active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to generate revenue while you sleep, travel, or do what you love. There are various ways to create passive income streams, and we'll explore some of the most effective and proven methods today. So keep watching to discover how you can make money without doing anything. Exploring passive income ideas. Passive income opportunities are abundant in today's digital age. Let's look at some popular and achievable ideas to start generating passive income. 1. Creating digital products. Develop and sell ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or digital art. Once created, these products can generate income repeatedly without further effort. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral links. 3. Rental income. Invest in real estate or property and earn passive income through rent payments. 4. Dividend investing. Purchase dividend, paying stocks or funds and earn a portion of the company's profits without actively managing the investment. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or businesses through online platforms and receive interest payments over time. 6. Digital advertising. Monetize your website or blog by displaying ads, earning income whenever visitors click on them. The key to successful passive income is diversification. Consider combining multiple streams to create a robust and reliable source of income. Now, let's move on to some essential tips for getting started. Tips for building passive income. Building passive income requires some initial effort and strategic planning. Follow these tips to set yourself up for success. Define your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with passive income and set clear. Power of compounding can significantly impact your passive income over time. Research and educate yourself. Learn about different passive income strategies. Stay updated with market trends and seek expert advice if needed. Automate your finances. Use technology to automate payment processes and track your income streams efficiently. Be patient and persistent. Passive income takes time to build, so stay patient and keep going even if you face initial challenges. Congratulations! You now have a deeper understanding of the passive income blueprint. By diversifying your income streams and applying the right strategies, you can pave the way to financial freedom and a life of leisure. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and lifestyle.